Hi everyone, so I'm going to cover how to create a product on Shopify, and I will try to cover it in a shortest way possible. If you are looking for a detailed video, please comment and I will share a detailed video on my channel. All you have to do is click on the product section over here in Shopify on the right side, then click on add product. Here you can, let's say if you are selling or planning to sell a t-shirt, you can write the word t-shirt over here, and then here you can explain some of the features about your t-shirt, whether it's 300 GSM, or if you want to convey any of the information about the sizes you're offering, the colors you're offering. This is a section where you can write all the description about the product. Here is a media option. You can click on the upload and it will let you upload the images. I already had some images prepared for the video, so I went in and I added the images. And here you can choose the category. Since it's a common product, it automatically chose a category for me. In case you are selling any specific product, you can go in and select a category manually. Here you can enter the price. So let's say if I am selling the t-shirt for $20, then I can put in the price of $20 over here. Compare price is something like, let's say the cost of the t-shirt is like your retail MRP is 29 and you are planning to sell it at a discount of $9 for $20. So this is 20 and this is 29, your compare price. And in the back end you can keep up the track of your cost. So in case your product cost is, let's say, $10, so you can enter up the cost, so Shopify will automatically at some point will start to give you a overview of how much profit you are making from the store. Here it's inventory information. You can, since it's a physical product, you can click on track inventory, and from there you can mention how many products or how many quantity of the t-shirt you have in hand. And then you have an option like continue selling when stocked out. The meaning of this is like when you have ran out of the quantities over here, if you have this checked on, then people will still be able to buy your product. And after that, you just have to mention up your shipping information. And this is the most important part. Like this t-shirt comes in a various colors, so you can create different variants. Like the ones I created have multiple colors like white, and then I also have of blue, and then many more. So you can keep on creating multiple entries till you cover all your colors. And let's say you're offering different sizes also, then you can click on add another option and then click on size. Here you can enter all the sizes that you're offering. Like I want to select and go for small size, small, large, and let's say you're also selling medium. And then you can also shuffle these around. So you can fill up the option up to how many numbers you want, and from here you can individually mention the pricing of each of the variant and the quantities of each of the variant, and then click on save. Then you will see that your product is ready, and when you click on view, it shows up like this. So you have all the options that you created for the variant, and then you have an option for the sizes for customer to buy. Now do you see, like if I click on white, it shows the white image, and if I click on blue, it still shows a white image. So how do we make it in a manner that if I click on blue or a white, it changes the color as per my selection? So what you can do is you can go back to the Shopify, and here you can assign up the colors. So you can go either by the color or by the size. So I'm going to go by the color, and then I'm going to click on this icon, and it will show me all the options that I uploaded. So I will click on this, and then for the blue color I'm going to pick this one, and then I'm going to click on save. Now what happens is, if I refresh my page now, and if I switch to white, it will show me the white color. If I switch to the blue, it will show me the blue color. So it's very important that you assign a proper colors to your product so that people have a more clarity on what they are buying.